Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can put text over background in Capcut PC. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for daily tutorials. I really appreciate it and really help a lot this YouTube channel. And now let's jump right into the video. I'm gonna show you what you have to do. So just here in a library, expand this and a library category. And here we have a black background. Click on this plus, add to track. This will just add to track. You can also grab it and drag it onto the timeline. That's another way, but I think it saves more time. You just click on this plus. But if you want maybe to move exactly to a specific position the background, you can grab it as well. That's useful as well. And now we have the background. So we have background, but we need to put a text over the background. So to grab text, head over to the text panel here, page, click on it, and then grab text and put it exactly where you want. Position it exactly for the entire video maybe, or for only a portion of the video. So this will mean this text will appeal only for this portion of this video for only a couple of seconds. You can change that from here. As you can see, you can change the color from here. You can increase the font from here, font size, as you can see, and you can also change the color from here. You can have a lot of presets here. You have character line, we have position, we have blend, we have thickness. This is thickness. We have background. You can change the background. You can increase the background, but I like to add the black background. You can change from here, color and more. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video helped you. I hope you learned something. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching and take care.